how to change chart candlestick color on your TradingView.com charts. If you like the tutorials and wanted to see more contents like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. First off, fire off your browser and then go ahead to TradingView.com, and then from there go to the chart menu, and from there go to the gear icon. And as you can see that I'm now viewing the APL, and as you can see that my candlestick color is still green and red. And from there you can go to the gear icon, click it, and then choose symbol. I'll drag it over here so you can visibly see it, and you can change the color of your body, borders, and wick. For instance, I will choose between the 256-ish palette color to orange, black, and then I'll change the body, and then I'll change the border color all to grayish / black, and the wick color, well, you can choose between whichever colors that suits you best, or whichever colors that make you and your eyes adjust with the chart. Well, instead of the colors that I choose, you can choose like more distinguishable colors, so green, very bright green, or very bright red, so you can see when the slopes and the hills occur on the chart. And that's pretty much how you change the candlestick chart color on your TradingView.com chart. If you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us to cover on tech tricks, then please do not hesitate to put your comment down below. I hope it helps, and cheers. Bye.